Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add a video background banner to Shopify homepage. The first thing we're going to do is to select the online store, and then when we have the drop down we're going to select themes. Now on our Dawn theme, we're going to select the three dots and click on edit code. On the left side of the screen we will scroll to sections and click it open. Then click and add new section. We'll be leaving this in liquid and we will give it a name and click on done. This action will create a new asset where we will apply some code. Now, we will be copying and pasting this code. The link to this code can be found in the description below. The copy icon also can be found at the top right area of the code window, so you can copy without mistakes. Then back on our newly created Shopify code editor, we will paste in the code which we copied from the GitHub link. Click on save, and now we will exit the code editor at the top left corner. Then still on our theme area, we will select Customize Theme. This will take us here, where we can try to add the video to our homepage. Now right here under Header, we will be adding a new section and select Video Background. Now we're going to open our Shopify page again on a new tab, and there on the left sidebar, we will be selecting Content, then Files. Here is where we will be copying the link of the desired video in order to apply it to our video background asset in the theme editor. Of course, we will have to upload a video to the content page of our website, just as we have here. The upload button is found at the top right corner of this page, as you may have noticed. Now we've copied the link and we will go back to the editor. Here, we will go to the left sidebar where we have video background, and then we're going to click on back to go back a step. We will click on the video slide and paste in the link to our video right here under video link. We can also select a cover image if our video doesn't load immediately. We'll click on save at the top right corner, and now we have a video background banner in our Shopify homepage. So this is how to add a video background banner to our Shopify homepage.